Welcome to Star Aspect Designs. This week we will feature a 5-bedroom, 2-story townhouse with an attic. Of course, this is a spacious and practical home designed for both comfort and functionality. The townhouse layout seamlessly combines modern design with practical storage, making it a perfect house for a growing family or anyone who values space and organization. So we'll take you through the plans as usual. And of course, we shall start with the main entrance. And this here is the main door. Of course, the main door is away from the lounge. So you enter the main door into an entrance lobby, which is what you see here. And then from the entrance lobby is where now you branch into the lounge or continue forward. And as you can see, I said this house features storage, so lots of storage. This here is the entrance cabinet, as I explained in earlier videos. And this route here is the route to the cloakroom. This is the cloakroom here, with the sink inside and the sink outside for general utility. If a guest comes in and wants to wash their hands first, or if you're in the dining room, you want to wash your hands, this is the sink you will use. And as you proceed further in, you'll find that particular wall. And I would want to mention that this is a house that has already been built. It's just that the interiors are not done yet, and I will take you through the physical design itself in the next video. So this wall here, the client wanted it to be a family photo wall. So it will feature a very lit design with several pictures of the family, because it's a wall you see immediately you enter the house. This door here leads to the guest bedroom. As you can see there, the guest bedroom is en suite. You have your cabinet space, and of course I mentioned storage is key in this house. Lots of storage space. You can see the cabinets there. And then the bathroom. That is the bathroom. You can see the toilet, the sink, and then the shower cabin. And as you move further into the house from the main entrance, once you take this corner here, you'll see the staircase. And for the staircase, underneath the staircase is more storage. That's what you have there. And then this particular room under the staircase is also more storage for tools. And this client is an avid biker, so bikes and everything else are stored in there. Then you can see here the dining room. And then the dining room is adjacent to the open kitchen, which is what you see further down. The open kitchen features a bar counter where you can sit and eat or work as other family members cook. You have your fridge there. your microwave there, your cooker there, and that kitchen can be reconfigured any way you like. And once you get in here, then you can access this door into the pantry. And I continue to say storage in this house has been maximized. So as you can see, you have your pantry there. Then as you go towards the outside door, you have your laundry right there. So this is where you have your washing machine and your ironing counter. Then you can hang your clothes up there for while waiting to store them into the bedroom wardrobes. Then this door here is the one that leads to the outside. To the outside, where you have the outdoor laundry sink, and then you have just working space around that you can use to light your jikos, to cook, whatever you want. And then I have the gas gauge there, which is very close to the gas cooker that is right there. As I explained earlier, we like to have the gas outside in case of accidents. Then you can also access this particular backyard from the main entrance. I mean from the gate. So this is the gate right here. You can go around there and access the back through this particular path instead of going into the house to access the backyard. So that's it for the ground floor. Let's move on to the second floor. Sorry, the first floor. And it's also worth mentioning that once you access this lounge right there, then you can also, it also has access to this terrace here, which can also be accessed without entering the main door. Okay, so this is the first floor. So the first floor, as you can see, once you land there at that staircase, from that staircase, I mean, the first door here is to the master bedroom. So as you can see, this is the master bedroom. And of course, must I mention it again, you have ample storage. You have this storage right here. And then you have that storage right there, and also some working space there. And this master bedroom is spacious enough that you can have your sofa and a sitting area right there where you can have your nighttime tea or whatever you like. And then as you can see, there's this door here that leads to the outside where you have your own private balcony. The beauty about this house is that it's spacious and functional. And then the master bedroom is en suite. You have the bathroom there where you have a bathtub. You have the shower. And then you have your toilet there and the couple sink right there. And then once you get outside, right here on the outside is the family room. So the family room, this client told me that if his wife is having a chama meeting down there, he can sit here with the kids and watch whatever they want to watch. So this is the family room right here. And it also has its own balcony at this end there. And then as you proceed further, you have two bedrooms. So bedroom number 1 there, and then bedroom number 2, and all of them are en suite. And they can be configured whichever way you like. So The bathrooms are configured the same way, where you have your shower cabin, you have your toilet, and then you have the sink right there. And then of course, as you can see, the storage, ample storage, and also it includes some working space right there. And then out here at the corridor, there is also more storage for shoes. You could never have enough storage for shoes. So you have your shoe rack right there, and then more storage for anything else in the house. So that is the first floor. Moving on to the attic. Once you land, this first door here is a general space. So the client just wanted a large enough room where he can configure it however he wants. He can make a study room, a gym, or even just bed space. Like when he has kids over for sleepovers or anything, he can lay several mattresses there and people are comfortable sleeping there. So this particular room is very general purpose. It can be configured whichever way you like. Then this door here leads to the outside terrace. This is the terrace at the very top of the house. And I should mention this terrace has a very spectacular view of the sunset, which I will show you later on in the next video. This room here is for the guests. This client was excited about this room because it's where his parents can sleep, or his in-laws. So this particular room is quite spectacular. Since it's for the guests, it doesn't need to have too much storage. So that's a wardrobe area right there. That's a bed space. And then the bathroom is configured the same way as the master bathroom, where you have your bathtub, your shower cabin, and then your toilet and sink right there. So this is the house in a nutshell. This is the backyard right here, and then he has a biodigester right at this point. So this is the backyard, this is the gate to the backyard, and then this is the uppermost terrace I was telling you about, and up here is where the water tanks are. And with that particular height, you can be sure that the water pressure is quite impressive. So that's the level where the water tanks are for this particular house. And that's it for today. Join me in the next video and leave a comment in the section below. If you'd like to contact me, I will also leave my email address in the description down below. And as always, live large.